Okay guys, how are you? I'm just going to show you how to calculate the cost of debt with the help of two simple examples, which is already in the course book of financial management. My pardon if I actually use financial performance in any of the previous videos. It is financial management, and the topic is the cost of capital, and in that way the subsection is cost of debt. Excuse me. The formula would be, for this one, a company has every redeemable loan notes currently trading at 40x or x rates in trust. The coupon rate is 5% and the rate of corporation tax is 30%. What is the cost of debt to the company? That would be KD is equal to I and 1 minus T, and that would be MV. So KD is equal to 1 minus 0.3 divided by 40, so that would be 0.0875, or 875% is the cost of debt in percentage. Talking about the second example, a company has an issue 10% loan notes with a current MV of $98. The loan notes are due to be redeemed at par in 5 years' time. If corporation tax is 30%, what is the company's cost of debt? Then yet again we have to show it as per time. Cash flow DF at 10% PV and DF at 5% NPV. That would be 0, and that would be the market value. 98 is the current market value, and this is 1 and this is 98, and also this is annuity. For 1 to 5, that would be interest payments. And that would be 10 multiplied by 1 into 0.3. Okay, and then it would be what? 7. Discount rate for 1 to 5, adding all three, would be 3.791. That would be 26.54. 4.329 is for at 5% from 1 year to 1 to 5, and that total will be 30.3. Just multiplying 4.329 with 7. So that was the cash flow. Okay, so with the help of that, how we have calculated this cash flow, which is because of the interest payment, obviously on annuity 1 to 5, it is 10 into 1 minus 3, that we have calculated this. We have to apply the discount factor at 10% and 5%, multiplying by this 7 to get the two different values or the present value respectively. And the capital repayment is what? 100, and that would be discount factor 0.621, 62.1, and 0.784, and that would be 78.4. Okay, so this is how you're going to show it. Present value would be what? Minus 9.36, and that would be 10.7. This is how it has to be displayed. Just subtracting 98, this one and this one, then the value is this 98 minus adding this to, that would be 10.7. So that would be what? The NPV. These two values would form the NPV. The internal, we have to calculate the cost of debt, and the cost of debt can be calculated with the help of because normally internal rate of return is a substitute for the cost of debt. We're talking about the sources of finance we have learned in our previous video. So IRR is what? 5%, that is discount factor, lower discount factor, plus 10.7, that is the present value because of the lower discount factor, divided by present value because of lower discount factor minus present value, in this case obviously present value from higher discount factor, multiplying it by discount factor higher minus discount factor lower. So that would be IRR. So that would be what? 5% plus 10.7 into 10.7 plus 9.36 into 10 minus 5, so that would be 7.7%. so KD, which is the cost of debt, would be 7.7%. So this is one of the simple techniques to find the cost of debt with the help of incorporating the corporation tax and the market values, and also you can find it with the help of internal rate of return, just incorporating it with the help of the annuity. And also you can use this format, just to follow this format, and you can get the maximum examination marks as well. So this is how you're going to calculate the cost of debt with the two different methods. I hope these examples will help you to actually understand more enough of the what you can say cost of debt. So for the coming videos, see you soon. Till then, take care and have a nice day.